أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, in this lesson we will learn حروف مقطعات, which comes in the Holy Quran in the beginning of the surahs. And let us start now. So before starting حروف مقطعات, so which signs come in that lesson, you should understand that sign's name and the meanings, and I hope after this you can read very easily that lesson. So the first sign which comes in that lesson, and which is the main sign, that is mud. You can see here, this is the mud sign. Mud is Arabic word, and in Arabic mud is called long, stretch. Like when this sign comes on the letter, so we stretch that letter. How much? 3 alif. 3 alif almost is equal to 6 harakat. Or you can understand easily about 3 alif like 3 to 5 seconds. And the second sign which comes in this lesson, that looks like a W shape. The name of this sign is shad, or also we call shadda. And the meaning of this sign is connect with the previous letter. Like which letter has this sign, that letter we read twice. Now you look, this example is here of this shad as the one word which is here in that lesson is written alif, lam and mim. So the thing is that you should understand the meaning of this shad sign, what is. So only in this lesson we will read letters separately. As we say here in this example, so it is written alif, the second is lam, and the third is mim. And if we look in detail about this shad or shadda sign, so how we connect the letter with the previous letter. Now you look here in this example, as we read alif, the first is alif, the second is written here lam, and the third is written mim, which are in spelling. This one we say lam. And why we are making nasal sound? As it is a rule, whenever shad sign comes on the mim, you hold your sound into nose for a while, I mean 1 second, and then you will say the next one. And now we say lam. And after that, as mim has a mud sign as well, so then we say mim. Like we are longing this mud sign almost 3 alif. 3 alif means 3 to 5 seconds. Similarly, the shad sign is coming on the mim, and then this mim basically we connect with the previous letter, as which is mim as well. In this example you can see, that's why it's become one mushaddad letter. Mushaddad is like which letter has a shad sign. And the third sign is called standing fatha. This is a standing, that's why it's called standing fatha. And the meaning of this sign is long 1 alif. 1 alif means 2 harakat, or you can say 2 seconds. So these 3 signs basically come in this lesson, and now we practice the lesson, and this remaining examples I will tell you when that word comes. Okay, now I move to the lesson. As you can see here as well, like the lam has a mud sign, so we long this lam 3 to 5 seconds. And mim similarly has a mud sign, so we long as well here 3 to 5 seconds. And mim has a shad sign, so it's meaning this mim we connect with the lam, and we hold our sound here for 1 second, and the sound goes into nose. Now we say, alif, only we read the letters. Okay, keep in mind, understand the letters and only read the letters. And if there are longing signs are coming on the letters, only long that letters. As alif is alone, so we do not long alif. Simple, we say alif. And the lam has a mud sign, we long it. 3 seconds almost. So we say alif lam. And when we end in here, so we connect lam with the meme as well. We say lam. By joining our lips, that is basically nasal sound, and we are joining. And after that, we say only meme. Meme. And now we say together alif lam meme. Alif lam meme. And the next is similarly, first understand the letters and which letter has a signs on that, and then long only that. So the first is alif, second is a lam, the third is meme, and the last one is a sad. We long only lam, meme and sad. And on the meme, there is a shut sign. So it's mean this meme we connect with the lam as well, similarly as we done here. So we say this now. Alif lam. Look, I am holding my sound here as I am longing 1 second as well when I connect lam with the meme. So you also pay attention and do this. Alif lam. This sound, right? Alif lam meme sad. And the next is again the first alif, lam and ra. And now look it on the ra, there is a standing fatha, so we long it here 2 seconds. So we say alif lam ra. And ra we read bold as well. Alif lam ra. Similarly the next alif lam meme ra. The first letter is kaf, second is ha, ya, ain and sad. So kaf, ain and sad we long 3 to 5 seconds. Ha and ya we long only 2 to 2 seconds. So we say kaf ha ya ain sad. And the next taha, only 2 to 2 seconds. Taha. And the next is qasim. So this word, so here we say qasim. After the C sound, you will not say noon sound here. That's remember. Only after the C we read meme sound. Why? Because the meme has a shut sign, that's why we connect with the previous letter. So the previous is a C and sin, like the noon we skip, the meme we connect with the meme then, as I told now. So we say again qasim. The next qasim. This ta we long 1 to 2 seconds. The next is yasin. Hamim. So very carefully see the letters and then signs on that and then read accordingly. Hamim, Ain, Sin, Qaf. We sing in this. Hamim, Ain, Sin, Qaf. And the next is Qaf, Noon. I hope you understand about this lesson, and remember only the rules. If you know the rules, you can read Quran very easily, inshallah. So you should focus on the rules. As I told, the rules, like if mud sign comes, what we do, if shad sign comes, how we connect the letters, or we read that twice, and if standing fatha comes, how we long. So if you know the rules, so you can read very easily, and make sure to remember only that longing places, and if you know the longing places, so long there. And if there is no longing place, so do not long. So mostly people make mistakes here. So just keep practice of this lesson. This is very important, and if you can memorize this huruf-e muqatta'at, that is more good. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. And inshallah, see you in the next class. Have a nice time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.